Good morning to all. Jeremy Bhadrak welcomes you in online yoga classes. Today we will learn how to perform Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation. Sun Salutation is a sequence of 12 powerful yoga poses. Besides being a great cardiovascular workout, Surya Namaskar is also known to have an immensely positive impact on the body and mind. Surya Namaskar is best done early morning on an empty stomach. Each round of sun salutation consists of 2 sets and each set is composed of 12 yoga poses. So let's perform sun salutation. Before starting, let's know about its incredible benefits. It helps maintain cardiovascular health, stimulates the nervous system, helps the stretching, flexing, and toning the muscles. Excellent exercise for weight loss management, strengthens the immune system, and that is very necessary for us nowadays because we all know due to outbreak of COVID-19 we are advised to increase our immune system. So now let's perform Surya Namaskar step by step. Step 1, Pranam Asana. Stand at the edge of your mat, keep your feet together and balance your weight equally on both the feet. Expand your chest and relax your shoulders. As you breathe in, lift both arms up from the sides and as you exhale, bring your palms together in front of the chest in prayer position. Step 2, Hasta Utthasana. Breathing in, lift the arms up and back, keeping the biceps close to the ears. In this pose, the effort is to stretch the whole body up from the heels to the tips of the fingers. Step 3, Hasta Padasana. Breathing out, bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect. As you exhale completely, bring the hands down to the floor besides the feet or as much as you can. Step 4, Ashwasanchal Asana. Breathing in, push your right leg back as far back as possible. Bring the right knee to the floor and look up. Step 5, Parvat Asana. As you breathe in, take the left leg back and bring the whole body in a straight line. Step 6, Astang Namaskar. Gently bring your knees down to the floor and exhale. Take the hips back slightly. Slide forward, rest your chest and chin on the floor. Raise your posterior a little bit. The 2 hands, 2 feet, 2 knees, chest and chin should touch the floor. Step 7, Bhujangasana. Slide forward and raise the chest up into the cobra pose. You may keep your elbow bent in this pose with the shoulders away from the ears. Look up at the ceiling. Step 8, Parvat Asana. Breathing out, lift the hips and the tailbone up to bring the body into an inverted V pose. Step 9, Ashwasanchal Asana. Breathing in, bring the right foot forward in between the 2 hands. The left knee goes down on the floor. Press the hips down and look back. Step 10, Hasta Padasana. Breathing out, bring the left foot forward. Keep the palms on the floor. You may bend the knees if necessary. Step 11, Hasta Utthasana. Breathing in, roll the spine up, raise the hands up and bend backward a little bit, pushing the hips slightly outward. Step 12, Tadasana. As you exhale, first strengthen the body, then brings the arms down. Relax in this position and observe the sensations in your body. This completes one set of Surya Namaskar. Complete the round by repeating the steps. That's all about Surya Namaskar. JNP Bhatrak appeals you to stay at home and stay healthy. Thank you.